Hey YouTube, it's Shir. Welcome back to my food channel and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to make pickled radish. Let's start. Basically, it's the first time that I pickle something, so I asked a foodie friend of mine how to do it. And also read some online that if you want to have spices in it, seasoning in it, then you need to put less water because you need to dilute the vinegar less. Let's start. I sliced the onions and put them in a sterilized jar. I sliced the radishes thickly, depends on their size. Generally thick, I cut it so it won't be pickled too fast. Put the radish slices also in the jar. I try to mix it a little bit with chopsticks. I use a ratio of 1:1:1 with sugar, water and vinegar. Use a mild vinegar around 5% acidity. In a pot on a medium to high heat and mix well until all the sugar dissolves. You see how the liquid changes its color? Then you know it's done. I poured it into a measuring cup so it would be easier to pour it into the jar. Cover the vegetables with the liquid, put some olive oil on top and 2 or 3 cloves of garlic. Don't touch the liquid with your bare hands like I just did. Don't do that. Cover and let it rest. Hey! So as I showed you how I pickled the radishes, it's been outside for the night and then today it has been in the fridge for this entire time. So I'm going to bring it out and we'll see what happens. Okay, this is how it looks. It looks less orange and more pinkish. It's just the lighting here. But you can see it actually looks pretty good. I'm going to get myself some. And a most important thing about pickled stuff is to always use a clean tool to take it out. Never eat with a tool that you take out and then bring it back because then it gets all the germs there. It smells good. Yeah, looking good, right? So I'm going to put it in the plate. Just some onions and some radishes. Take some more radish. So cool. So it actually changed, like became the opposite. I really hope it's tasty. Can you see it like became the opposite? It was pink on the outside and then white inside, and then now it's pink inside and white outside. So weird. Oh my god. This is so good. It's very hard because oh my god. It's very strong, but it doesn't mean that it's not good. It's just like really strong. Let's try the onion. It became entirely pink. Damn. Try another one. Yummy. I really like it. I'm going to make myself a sandwich and show you and try the sandwich and then we'll see. Here's some sour cream, shman. A bit of soup, which is a Yemeni hot sauce for pickles. Some arugula, reduced balsamic vinegar, pepper, chili flakes, and Maldon salt. So I have the sandwich here. I put sour cream and soup, which is a hot sauce made out of chilies and coriander and some spices. I put the pickled radish and also the pickled onion and some rucola, salt and pepper, some chili flakes, and also reduced balsamic vinegar. Let's try. Oh my god, very good, very yummy. It has the sour cream, gets it a creamy element, and also it taste is really mild, and over it you have some zings of the soup, which is really good. It's not so spicy. I also didn't put a lot, so it will be as a seasoning and not as the main thing. Not will be like too spicy and you won't feel any other flavor. The pickled radish gives like a crisp, really nice and refreshing and aesthetic, a bit sweet also. I like it. The arugula gives a bit of bitterness and also a bit of like spiciness. Like, oh, I wanted to put this basil also. Never mind, next sandwich. And the reduced balsamic, its sweetness connected to the sweetness of the pickled radish. So overall, I feel like I kind of nailed it. Very nice sandwich. If you like this video and want me to try other recipes, you can send me recipes that you want me to try and maybe I'll try them. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like that, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you can get notifications when I upload new videos. And I hope I see you in the next video. Bye!